Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another session, guys. I appreciate it so much. If this is your first time visiting, hi, welcome. My name is Keturah, and on this channel you can expect to find the content on home refresh, interior styling tips and ideas, and some lifestyle. So if this is something that interests you, I invite you to watch the video, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and become part of the family. Alright guys, so today's video will be a home vlog. I will be cooking dinner, which will be fishball stew and spaghetti. I will also be adding some black accents with touches of green to the kitchen. So guys, in just the same way I am cozying up the space with the lights and the candles and the scents, I am also going to cozy up myself with a drink, and I hope you join me in one too. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, the drink of the evening will be an eggnog cocktail. And to start it off, I am just dipping the rim of this coffee mug into some salted caramel syrup. And next I'm going to dip it into a mix of cinnamon and sugar. And then I'm going to let the glass chill in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So while the mug is chilling, I'm going to get started on the fish balls. So here I'm adding some crushed cornflakes to a salmon steak that I had minced and pre-seasoned. So now that I have rolled the minced fish into the balls, I'm going to set this aside and work on the base for the fish stew. And to do this, I'm just preparing an assortment of seasonings, of fresh seasonings. I have cilantro, onions, bell peppers, jalapeno, garlic, and some tomato slices in there. And now I'm just going to add some oil to the base and let it stew for a bit. And while this is going on, I am now going to finish making my drink. So to do this, I'm in a cocktail shaker. I am going to add some eggnog, and that's the old-fashioned eggnog. And to that, I'm going to add some Bailey's Irish cream. And to that, I'm also going to add some Kahlua coffee liqueur. Now guys, I personally don't take ice, so I'm leaving the ice out, and I'm just going to shake this vigorously for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to pour it into the chilled glass. And finally, I'm topping it off with some whipped cream, a sprinkle of nutmeg, and I'm just going to add a cinnamon stick to it. And now for the fun part, we drink. And I hope you guys are drinking with me too, Okay? So now that I'm feeling all nice and warm and fuzzy on the inside, I am now going to continue working on the stew. And here I am adding the fish balls to the stew, and I will allow this to continue cooking while I get the pasta going. Alright guys, so now that the spaghetti is ready, I'm going to add a cheese mix to it, and to do that I am going to add some butter, some milk, and some extra old cheddar cheese. And here we have it guys, spaghetti and fish ball stew. Alright guys, so for the past few videos I have been going around adding some black accents to my home, and I'm going to be doing the same in the kitchen also, and I'll also be adding some touches of green to the space. Alright guys, so we have made it to the end of yet another video. I do hope you enjoyed spending the evening with me as much as I enjoyed having you. And now guys, it is your turn to show your participation. You can do so with a like, a comment, a share. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I ask you to please consider doing so. And to officially close out our session, I'm going to read to you guys this verse of scripture from Philippians 4, and I'm going to read verses 11 to 13. And it says, I have learned to be satisfied with what I have. I know what it is to be in need and what it is to have more than enough. I have learned this secret so that anywhere, at any time, I am content, whether I am full or hungry, whether I have too much or too little. I should say we have the strength to face all conditions by the power that the Messiah gives us. So guys, once again, I thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.